everybody.
Hey.
We are back for another very quick, easy tutorial. A new take on pigtails. So in our last video, she said she really liked pigtails. That's her new favorite style. So I found a way to kind of make her pigtails last longer, so I don't have to redo them every day. And it's just a cute take on pigtails. So stick around and I will show you how to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by spraying her hair down. Get it nice and damp. And I'm going to comb out any tangles or knots that may be in there. Okay, so to start this off, we are going to make a part in the middle of her head. Your hair is already kind of parted. That's crazy from your last style. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm going to part about the outside of her nose. I'm gonna go from the outside of her nose and just bring it all the way back to the nape of her neck. So as you can see, all I did was take it all the way back to the back of her neck, and I'm going to clip this side because I'm not going to need it right now. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, same part. All right, and there is the other one, same thing, and I'm just going to clip this side up too. So now I'm just going to make my parts. I'm going to go with medium-sized boxes. And you're just going to create them all the way back. It depends on how big or small you want them. It's really up to you. I have Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curls gel that I'm going to use today. I'm going to get my rubber band here. So I'm just going to use a little bit of that on each part. There's the first one. Look, you look like a unicorn.
Nah, nah.
You want to keep that style? Just look like this? Go to the store?
I don't know.
No? Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and make the rest of our parts here. I'm just going to keep doing the same size boxes all the way down. Okay, so we have all the boxes here going all the way back. And now, what you're gonna do is, really it's up to you. You're gonna split this in half, and we're gonna bring them each to a pigtail on the side. All the boxes you're just gonna split in half. Now you can leave the hair just like it is and bring it over. You can braid these, you can twist them, but for her, I usually go with twists. So I'm just gonna twist all these up and then create my pigtails, and I'll show you what that's like. Alright guys, so I got all my twists in. Now what I'm going to do is take this down. Spray the hair a little. Get some of my gel. And comb it all up. And then you're going to take half of all the twists and bring them up into the ponytail. Just like that. Put in your rubber band.
sick.
And there you go. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. And there you have it. There is the finished look. So all we did was create these boxes, split them in half, twisted them, and put them up in pigtails. And see the back here. And that's all. Alright guys, well that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a very quick, different take on pigtails, something cute. And this will actually last her probably, I want to say 3 or 4 days, depending on how well she keeps her scarf on at night. But yeah, that is all. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel because we got more videos coming. We got a whole bunch of different ideas we're going to do and try. And give us a thumbs up and comment down below if you like this style. Comment if you think it's cute and if you would use it in your little one's hair. So we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.